gayon na sayranta ang mga maswerte o mga pampaswerte nga angay natong buhaton karong bag-ong tuig. We have this morning Feng Shui consultant Miss Yu-Chua. Happy New Year, Miss Jean! At welcome back ulit sa programa. Kindly greet all our kapuso dito sa Central and Eastern Visayas regions.
Hello. Good morning sa inyong lahat. Happy New Year po. Thank you po sa pag-invite sa atin. Thank you, Miss Cecil.
Happy New Year! Suki ka na talaga sa aming kapusong Bisaya every New Year, Miss Jean. Kumusta yung naging pasok ng 2023 mo?
Yeah, it's a great year and wonderful yung spending of New Year namin dito at masaya. Family reunion, togetherness, yun. It's a sign of good fortune and good luck.
And speaking of that, let's talk about this year's water rabbit. Sino-sino ba yung mga swerte sa taon na ito, Miss Jean?
Yeah, for the water rabbit this coming year, it will start on February 4, 2023, but the Lunar New Year celebration will be starting on January 22. Yeah, so lahat ng mga sorting animal sign, you can enjoy good star and bad star, but this year we have to be more cautious and be aware lang sa lahat ng actions, emotions, and thinking natin. We always think positive and balance, and also peace and love. So for the lucky animal sign, I can say number 1 is the year of the rat, year of the rooster, year of the snake, and also year of the rat, rooster, and year of the horse. Yeah, so these are having the good stars that you can have the potential to excel and more in terms of career, business, or money. Yun. And for those animal sign that you have to be cautious naman because you have conflict stars this year, it's number 1 is yung mga year of the rabbit, year of the rooster, dragon, rat, and also the horse, no? So conflict star means is more on you have the challenges and obstacles that you have to have focus and you handle certain things, no, na hands-on tayo, huwag tayo masyado pabaya or overconfidence, no, in terms of budgeting your money or in terms of mga decision making or plannings. And for those animal sign na balance lang tayo, stay put lang and be positive thinking is like yung mga year of the monkey, year of the tiger, year of the sheep, year of the year of the pig and dog. Okay, so these animal signs naman na kailangan naman natin mas maging maingat in terms of safety and health, no? And at the same time, water rabbit is also a year of love. So it's a year of relationship, establishing good network with people, and also harmonize the energy. Yeah, so kung meron tayong mga kaaway-away last year, previous year, this year is something like you have to cultivate good energy na to reconcile, to have a bati-bati emo yung energy para you can have a good relationship with people, especially in your kunyari career or kaya sa business natin, okay? And for those singles that you want to attract a good partner, this year is also a good year for you to start a new relationship or can maintain or prolong your relationship. And for those naman mga having family o kaya in a married couple, no, you can have a strong bonding this year din.
Aside sa mga lucky charms po, Miss Jean, ano po ba yung mga pwede ding ilagay sa bahay o sa opisina?
Yeah, for the office, you can put mga career luck charm bracelet like yung mga treasure chest or treasure pot or mga Trinity abundance charms, and also yung mga pang enhance ng good friendship, no? You can also put mga pang attract din na authority and power, especially for those mga CEO or mga boss or mga higher rank na position. You have to maintain a good relationship with your subordinates or with your people na to gain good relationship for good teamwork or good projects and to have strategic planning. So maglalagay tayo ng mga power rui o kaya ng mga crystals, no, mga amethyst, clear quartz.
And Miss Jean, we also heard na one of the characteristics ng water rabbit is it's also a year of fertility. Can you expound on this, Miss Jean?
Yes, since water rabbit is in animal sign in Chinese zodiac, ang rabbit kasi is a symbol for peace and love, and also is called at the peach blossom animal sign. So that means nakakatulong siya sa pag-create ng family.
Lastly, ano po yung New Year's message mo para sa mga kapuso natin?
Yeah, ang message ko po sa lahat ng nanonood sa atin lahat na is to balance your energy for this coming year. Whatever challenges or obstacles that we may have or we may encounter, always practice balance and peace, no?
Maraming salamat, Miss Jean, sa mensahe mo. Ang dami naming natutunan sa iyo this morning. Thank you po.
Yeah, thank you so much din po. I hope na marami kayong na-learn sa akin. And also, pag meron kayong mga questions, you can also message me.
Dagang salamat, Miss Jean, and Happy New Year once again.
Happy New Year po. Wish all the best for you.